Yo foodies, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making kelewele, that is spicy fried ripe plantain. Yes, that's my English name for kelewele. So that's what we are going to make now. So if you are ready, let's just jump into it. Since we are making kelewele today, I'm going to show you how I make my kelewele pepper like powder, what I use to spice my plantain. So usually what I do is I have my dry chili pepper here. This is called soap. I don't know the English name, but it's also a herb. This is bay leaves, and we have, I forgot it, pepper. This is pepper. Yes, this is pepper. And we have ginger. Usually what I do is I dry my ginger up for it to be dried. Then I just put this in a grinder, blend all of them together to get my kelewele powder. So pepper, so bay leaves, pepper, and ginger is what gives me this. So this is my kelewele powder already made, and it's just simple. You just mix this, you just blend these together to get this. Yes. So what I do is I don't add my onions to the mixture to blend, because it's quite difficult getting like dry onions or something, except I go and buy the already made ones, which I don't want. So what I do is, after making my mixture, anytime I'm ready to prepare kelewele, I just blend my onions and mix it with the kelewele pepper and put it on the plantain. So yes, so basically those are the things we'll be needing: plantain, onions, my kelewele pepper. That is the mixture of these to make this. So let's just get right into the video. So what I'm about to do now is blend the onions and mix it with the kelewele powder so that I pour it on the plantain. Yes. So I'll take my onions, pour it inside the blender, add some little water, then blend. So my onion mixture is ready now. So I have my onions and my pepper mixture. So what I'm going to do now is take my plantain, cut them up, and pour these on it, allow it to rest for some time, then I'll begin to fry. So let's do the plantain. So I have my plantain here. This is ripe, like very ripe plantain. I like my kelewele very soft, so we are using very ripe plantain, and I have a bowl of water here. So I'm going to wash the plantain and begin to cut them. So this is the plantain in water. I'll wash it. Then I'll be slicing them into this bowl as well. So let's do it. So what I do usually is I divide the plantain into four. So you have four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, yes. Then I begin to cut it. I usually cut it like in a diagonal way. I slant it, yes. So to the size you want depends on you. Kelewele isn't supposed to be very big. So just tiny sizes. Not too tiny though, but the size you feel is okay. You just cut it that way. There's no precise size for cutting kelewele. So someone will ask, what is the English name for kelewele? Frankly speaking, I don't know. But what I'll call it is spiced fried ripe plantain. Spiced fried ripe plantain. Yes, that's kelewele. So that's our plantain that has been cut into smaller sizes. So see the size, very tiny, not tiny but sizable. So then I have my mixture here, and oh, I forgot about salt. We actually need salt for taste. So first I just sprinkle a bit of salt on it, just a little. Add some of the onion mixture, not everything because it's a lot. So then I add my Kelewele pepper, not everything as well, just so that's our mixture. So what I'm coming to do now is stir all together, leave it to sit for a while before frying so that the ingredients it enters inside the tongue. Yes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stir it, then wait. So just stir all together. So this is our Kelewele almost done. Yes. And next time you see us, we are about to fry, okay? So it's time to fry. I have my oil here, which I've used to fry Kelewele before. Just going to pour it in the pan. Allow it to heat up for a while, then we begin frying our Kelewele. So I'm going to see whether the oil is hot. I think it's hot now. So let's fry. So we are frying gently. Good. The smell is like, So as you can see, it's cooking nicely. Yes. So our Kelewele is ready. Yeah, I don't like my plantain to be too brown, so it's good for me. See you when I plate it. Guys, this is Kelewele. Yes, it is usually served with granite. It can also be served with rice, beans, other foods, but usually served with granite and eaten very hot. Yes, so here we have Kelewele and some granite or peanuts. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment and share. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to become part of the foodie gang. See you all in our next video. Bye bye.